Parkway right now in the car again. I'm here shopping with Lloyd.
Oh my God!
He's freaking. He's like, okay, maybe.
Hey, Ma, what are you doing? I'm at work.
I guarantee you Lacey will.
Okay, go get Lacey.
You see what I'm saying?
No, she can't get it from the side.
I know. Come here, Dash. He's going to forget you. Oh.
I think it went too far. Ma, I'm so sorry. Ma, I was just a joke. Why did you say that to me? Why did you say that? I don't know. I got caught up in the middle of something and I used bad judgment, Mom. That's not how you told me to be, and I'm really sorry. I love you. You can tell my mom I'm a good son.
What's this? Lacey, come here. Come here.
Thank God. Thanks, Ma.
Come here, Lacey.
All right, I love you, you bitch.
Come here. Look, hang on. Lacey, Lacey, look.
No need for debate here. Merge.
You'll get up there for that. Go get it.
Mer's a loser, and if there's one thing he loves, it's his
Go
computer.
get it.
We're here to
Go get it.
So for your punishment, buddy, you're going to be teaching class on how to optimize your computer. It'll appear to the students that you're in command.
Unbelievable.